Now for the moment you've been waiting for, let's run the app by clicking on this button. It will prompt us to choose a device. Without a physical device, we can use the emulator, which is included in the Android SDK. Currently, it says that there are no Android virtual devices available. So let's open up the AVD manager to create one. Then click New. By creating an AVD, we can configure an emulated device with the Android platform version that we want to test on, as well as hardware options. For our case, we're going to emulate a Nexus 5 virtual device. The defaults are fine for now, so we're going to hit OK. Then we see that our AVD was created successfully. We can close the AVD manager, and when we go back to the device chooser dialog, we'll see that Nexus 5 is an option. Then we can hit OK to launch the app. When it loads up, we see our Sunshine app with the words Hello World. Keep in mind that the emulator is not just a simulator. It's actually running the Android virtual machine, so you can test and debug your app on different hardware and software configurations. You can interact with the app on the emulator using the screen or with the navigation controls here. You can also invoke other apps, do network calls, play audio or video, and much more. It also includes debug capabilities, including log output and the ability to simulate app interrupts or network latency. You can also hit home and browse around the device to see other apps. For example, you can check out API demos. Feel free to play around with the emulator some more. If you open up Android Device Monitor, you can go into the Emulator Control tab. There you'll see different options for simulating behavior on your AVD, such as for telephony and for location. Now that the Hello World app runs on the emulator, let's see what goes on behind the scenes to make the app run.